I'm going to show you not just how to wax, but how you can turn this skill into a serious side hustle or even a full-time business, all from the comfort of your own home. Waxing is in demand, and I'm here to help you tap into that demand and start earning real money. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to La Beauty Biz. First, let's talk numbers, because who doesn't love the idea of making good money, right? The average waxing service costs between $10 to $80 per session, depending on the area. A full leg wax can be as much as $50 to $70 or more in some areas. Now imagine doing 3-5 clients a day from home. You are looking for potentially $200 to $300 per day. That's up to $10,000 a month, all from doing something you can easily learn and master. But let's get real. It's not just about the waxing itself. It's about setting yourself up for success. Here is what you need to build a profitable waxing business from home. Number 1, it's supplies. A basic waxing kit can start around $100, and after that, your press service cost is super low. You're looking at $3 to $5 in supplies per client. Number 2, space. You don't need a fancy studio. Clear out a small space in your home, keep it clean, and make it cozy for your clients. Number 3 is marketing. Your social media. Post before and after picture of your waxing results, offer special discounts, and encourage your clients to share reviews. Word of mouth spreads fast, and soon enough, you will have a steady flow of clients. Now here is where the real money-making strategy comes in. You can set yourself apart by offering packages deals. For example, a full legs wax, underarm wax, and eyebrow shaping bundle for a set price of $100. Your clients get more value and you get to make a larger sale in one session. Plus, it helps build loyalty. If you want to take it up, you can specialize in something like Brazilian waxing, which can go for $60 to $100 per session. Let's say you do 3 Brazilian waxes a day at $80 each. That's $240 in just a few hours. And trust me, once clients find someone they trust for waxing, they keep coming back every 4 to 6 weeks. Now, I know some of you are thinking, how do I get started if I don't have a big budget? Don't worry, you can start small and scale up. Start by offering services to friends and family and ask them to refer you to the others. Then, as your income grows, you can invest in more professional equipment or expand your space. I hope this video inspired you to take action and turn your passion for beauty into profit. I would like to help you start your own waxing business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!